Hello, welcome to week 3 of the journey of being data scientist, I guess, or data student. This week has been a little bit hectic. I did pick up the Jesus, I can't speak. Google Data Analytics certificate program. I completed 2 weeks. I was really excited about that. Going forward, it's a lot of work, so I might be delayed on posting a video or two. But here's the deal. This week was rough. I did a lot. And SQL Intro to Data Analytics, we learned a couple new things in Excel, which I didn't know, like tables and implementing tables and using a couple cool things in Excel that I didn't know had. Since 2015, I learned, or 2012, I learned Excel, and I knew it pretty well. But there's some pretty cool stuff in Excel, like bringing in data from CSVs and text files and XMLs, and even like places like, I don't know, like like SQL you can bring it in, or like, I don't know, like Azure. I didn't know all that stuff, so that was pretty cool. I learned that. In SQL administration, we did a lot of commands, a lot of functions, like insert into tables, create tables, quotation, what's it called? Quotation something, where you turn off the limitation of doing single quote or double quote, or editing and altering columns to have certain attributes to them. Like you can change it into a character, yeah, the explanation of what a character char is versus a varchar, where a character, basically you limit the, like, let's say the characters that you can limit in that column are 10, and if you fill it out 6, the rest of the 4 are going to be blank, so it takes up a toll on your size of your database, like storage toll. Varchar doesn't do that. It just stores whatever information it has. Things like that are pretty cool that I learned this week. I practice a lot. I need to go over everything so I can get it down packed. But I'm starting to see is taking on the Google Data Analytics certificate program. Adding a new class because I just started Saturday class, which is database concepts. So that's gonna be easy for me because it's all working together. It's a lot of SQL in this semester, so I'm gonna do pretty well, I think. And the data analytics program from Google, the certificate, is gonna help me too. So I'm pretty excited for that. Other than that, this week has been very busy. That's why I'm delayed in posting this video. If you're liking these videos, if you stay till the end here, I'm not going to edit this that much. I try to not say a lot of uhs or whatever, so I won't edit. It's going to be straight through. I'm just going to post this. It's rough. So thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. If you're going to stick alongside me with this journey and see what happens for the student every week to week, just explaining, really appreciate you. So thanks for watching. Always remember, your joy was happiness. Peace out, everybody.